Even though Americans live here, and, well, lots of places, we still have a say and vote right here. 3 million Americans living abroad can vote using FVAP.gov from wherever we are. Start on the FVAP.gov website to register to vote and request your absentee ballot be sent wherever you are. You register to vote absentee and request your ballot using one form, the Federal Postcard Application, or FPCA. On FVAP.gov, you can fill it out and get help along the way. You fill it out online, print it, and sign it. Then you send it to your election office. FVAP.gov explains how to do that for the state where you vote. You may be able to email, fax, or mail it back. Living outside the US, it may take some time to get your FPCA from here to here. It's a good idea to register and request your ballot as early as possible. Your ballot goes on a long journey before it gets to you. And that's why you should request your ballot by August 1st. When you receive your ballot, fill it out, sign it, and send it back to your election office as soon as possible. Your state may allow you to mail, email, or even fax your voted ballot back. FVAP.gov provides all the state-specific instructions and contact information you'll need. Your election office receives your ballot for counting, and you're all set. If you don't receive your ballot in time to return it by your state's deadline, you can still vote. First, contact your election office to ask about the status of your ballot request and ask about next steps. If there's not enough time, use the federal write-in absentee ballot, or FVAP. Use your FVAP just like a regular ballot. Whether you use the official ballot or the FVAP, you can find out how to check your status at, you guessed it, FVAP.gov. And that's it. That's how you can be here, and anywhere, but still vote, and still have a voice here. Get started at FVAP.gov. That's FVAP.gov.